Hi.
Sir. So here is your food from Shanghai Salt Lake.
Thank you.
New Year's. Happy New Year, sir.
So we have a special delivery from Shanghai, family meal, a standard meal, a special meal, as well as some assorted dim sums as well. आगे हम इटा के दिए शुरू करबो. So the assorted dim sums, it has veg, it has chicken, it has lamb, as well as prawns. Alright, let's start with this. लगता ही जब प्रथम हम prawn टाइप पेला. It's good. It's priced at 249 rupees. You get 2 pieces of each. I think this is a better deal than some of the other places which I've ordered from as well, which charge around, I think, 350 rupees is what I had ordered from Momo. So it's budgeted if you like different types of momos. If you want to experiment for starters, I think you can give this one a try. Next up, we have a standard family meal from Shanghai. The entire thing which you see in front, the dim sums, the starter, the soup, the staples when it comes to rice as well as noodles, is a veg as well as a chicken side dish, as well as some dessert, and this entire thing is priced at 649 rupees. Let's try the soup first. It's moderately spicy, not very spicy. The thickness is, I think, perfect. It's not very thick, not very thin, so I'm happy with that. Next, some chicken dim sums. The spicy sauce. Once again, I find this dim sum, the coating to be slightly thicker than what it should be, but the stuffing is pretty good. I think it has a generous amount of meat inside this. It is pretty good. Next up, we'll have the chicken starter. I'll use my hands for this. Some salt and pepper chicken. Alright, যে জিনিসটা আমি রিয়েলাইজ করেছি, the difference between a standard meal and the premium meal, some of the items are similar. So I'm not going to be tasting these and reviewing these because these are there covered in the special family meal which you see right over here. So I'm going to straight over head premium meal and I'm going to show you what that is like. Alright, so this in front of me is the premium combo of Shanghai. Now, before I come to these combos, all of these items are going to be available for delivery as well as takeaway from all outlets of Shanghai, be it Nagir Bazaar, be it Salt Lake, as well as now at Jadavpur. Order these at home. Also, dining in, there's an offer, and if you're going for a la carte, there's also a flat 25% discount. So if you have any queries, hit them up, get in touch with them over a call or a WhatsApp, get a confirmation, get a reservation if it's possible, and you can make your bookings. So now let's come back to this particular meal. So this is a premium meal. Most of the items were similar to what the standard meal is, so we're not repeating again. So be it the rice, the noodles, some of the starters, what I'm going to show you what the differences are. So the soup, it's a bigger portion. So you have a hot and sour soup, 750 ml hot and sour soup to be pacho. This is different. Starters, I'm sure you guys noticed, jeta aage chilo, that was 4 pieces. So over here you have 8 pieces. So this can be shared by 8 people. Sorry, 4 people. I'm very excited here, 8 people. Now this is another new item over here. Starters, you get a spring roll as well. I love spring rolls. So once again, 8 pieces of spring rolls. Basically it will be 4 pieces cut into 2. Okay? So besh bodo hobe jodi tumi oi bhabe naro. Another item which is going to be different for this one is a lat makai chicken. So these boneless chicken pieces. This is also there for the premium, which is priced at 799 rupees plus GST, and I think this is suffice for 4 people when you consider the main courses as well, and there's going to be a dessert as well. So whichever you fancy, you can opt for that. Charge out might be a little too much. Jodi khubhi hungry ho, tahole charge out korona tomra. I think 3 people jonno this is going to be suffice. And if it's 2 people, don't waste your money on this. You can go for the standard menu, which is, I think, a better option for you. Alright, so these are the options which we are showing you for the current season, because a lot of people, I can understand, will be a little mindful moving out. So I think what you can do is you can just easily relax at home and order these and enjoy a movie or a spot with your family enjoying these meals. It's going to be available at all outlets. We will be covering more places, of course. So you're going to be seeing a lot of different formats. The vertical videos which we did during the New Year's, because of crunch of time, we had to do that, but that didn't do a lot well. So I ran a poll, which I think a lot of you guys, I think about 90% of you agreed that that's not the format which you enjoy on YouTube. So we are back again in the longer format, longer video as well as horizontal format. But we have a news for you. Shorts channel on YouTube. It's been a while. It's been 2 months already with 30 plus videos, but I wanted to wait for an occasion to announce this. If you enjoy short videos on YouTube as well, head over to YouTube. Just search Foodspa Shorts, and you're gonna find that channel. So I hope all of you are gonna subscribe to that as well. A channel is already linked with this channel. तुम्हारे channel section में गया page है. So I hope a lot of you guys will enjoy the content, which is gonna be exclusive. It's not gonna be what is here in this channel. So I hope you guys enjoy. Other than that, yes, Shanghai very rarely do they disappoint. Yes, delivery time एक तो issue হয়েছিল. I had to wait for some time. So তোমরা যখন order করছো খুব বেশি hungry হলে তোমরা কিন্তু be mindful. Keep some time extra because if there is a delay তোমাদের জন্য কিন্তু চাপ হয়ে যাবে. আমরা আজকে বেশ খিদেতে ছিলাম বলে যা হোক করে আমরা এটা আজকে করতে পারলাম. So keep in mind that you need to keep some time in hand. And yeah, standard meal is I think something which you guys can offer. But if you want a lot of food, even if it's 2 people, তোমরা যদি অনেক বেশি খেতে পছন্দ করো তাহলে তোমরা কিন্তু প্রিমিয়ামটা চলে গিয়ে, because I think 150 না 200 টাকা এক্সট্রা দিয়ে তোমরা অনেক বেশি খাওয়া পাবে এটাতে. So yeah, other than that, এদের মধ্যে কোনোটাই যদি তোমার না পছন্দ, তোমরা যদি বুফে খেতে পছন্দ, তুমি ভাবে এই এত পয়সা দিয়ে আমি বুফে খেলো, that's completely fine if you feel that way. I personally prefer a la carte, or maybe combo is somewhere in between a la carte and buffet. But ওটাও যদি তোমাদের না মনে হয়, last of the I think assorted platter momo যেটা আছে, that's a pretty decent deal. You can definitely go for that. Do let me know how you enjoy this video. অনেকদিন পরে করছি. I'm a little under the weather, so I might not be my usual self. Also, I'm not very used to doing vlogs at home. So if you have any feedbacks, do drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, it's Foodspa wrapping up from my place. কোথায় আর সেটা জানাচ্ছি না.